Welcome to Tippsy Sake Japan. Today, let's explore a unique and charming place located in Tokyo Akasaka, a vibrant district near the heart of Japanese politics and business. Just a few turns off the main street lies a somewhat mysterious bar. It's a beautifully renovated 100-year-old Japanese house. The interior design is surprisingly unique, and the food and drinks are something you cannot experience anywhere else. The key person behind this special place is the store manager Kai, whose deep knowledge of sake will guide each customer to find their perfect drink. I'm sure you'll leave with a newfound appreciation for Japanese sake. But that's not it. This bar is also famous for its sake cocktails, an interesting twist that will make your visit even more memorable. If you're interested, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and stick to me to the end of this video. Let me walk you through how to find this bar. It is a simple 5-minute walk from either Akasaka Station or Akasaka-Mitsuke Station. Today, we'll go from Akasaka-Mitsuke Station. Exit the station from exit 10 and follow the signs towards Akasaka. You'll immediately step into a lively area where many restaurants and office buildings lie on the street. Since many foreign embassies are located around this area, these restaurants serve all different kinds of cuisines from all over the world. To find today's destination, Chill Labo Akasaka, head off the main track and walk towards the residential area. The bar is a little difficult to spot, so look carefully for the distinctive sign and banner marking the entrance. Go inside and walk up the stairs, and you're there. This is the store manager, Kai Minegishi.
Welcome to Chill Labo. I'm Kai, the manager of Chill Labo. Please chill at this bar and enjoy the sake.
The bar is a reconstruction of a 100-year-old Japanese house. There's something magical about the mix of a stylish bar with a nostalgic atmosphere of an old house. Kai and his team built much of the interior themselves, including the counters and the shelves. The place created by DIY is somewhere between order and chaos, which is one of the unique characteristics of this bar. If you're here alone or with 1 or 2 people, the bar counter offers a cozy, intimate space to enjoy drinks. For larger groups, there are spacious table seats as well. Now, let's talk about the man behind the magic, Kai, the store manager of Chill Labo Akasaka. Kai spent time abroad as a student. That's why he is fluent in English and can communicate easily with foreign customers. But what truly sets him apart is his incredible depth of knowledge about sake. He will be happy to share you fascinating stories about each sake and the brewers that produce them.
So for you to decide which kind of taste you like, I brought dry and then fruity sake. And then one is dry sake from Akita Prefecture, the name is called Yamamoto. This one is from Yamaguchi Prefecture, the name is called Toyo Bijin. Toyo Bijin means beautiful person in the east. This is super fruity and a little bit sour like a wild strawberry. Yeah.
But Kai wasn't always the store manager. Actually, at first he was a regular customer at this bar. An interesting story lies underneath how he ended up working here.
もともとは料理をやってたんですけど、その時に日本酒にハマって、で、日本酒もっと勉強したいなってなった時にここのお店を見つけて、普通にお客さんとして通ってたんですけど、なんかイベントの時にオーナーに誘われて、どっちも酔っ払ってて、やろうよみたいに言われて、いいっすよみたいな感じでやってたらいつの間にかに店長になってました。
Next, let me explain about the bar's pricing, because it is a little bit different from typical restaurants. Instead of a specific price tag set for each drink, costs are based on an hourly rate. It'll be 3,000 yen for the first hour, and 1,000 yen is added automatically for each additional hour. Within that time, you can enjoy a variety of drinks from sake, beer, highballs, and gin. Enjoy finding your new favorite among the extensive selection. You might have noticed that at Chill Labo Akasaka, there is no menu list for sake. Instead, being one of the most unique features of this bar, Kai uses his extensive knowledge and creativity to custom tailor a sake experience for each guest.
うちの店がですね、最高の日本酒体験っていうのをテーマにやっているお店で、なのでお客様が来たら帰った時にはそれぞれのお気に入りのお酒が見つかるという感じでやってます。なんでいろんな飲み方を試してほしいっていう思いがあって、冷酒から常温、熱燗、そしてちょっとたまにはカクテルとかもやってます。
Here's how it goes. First, when you sit down, explain your taste preference. You don't have to be specific. Just tell what you feel that day. Then, Kai will bring you 2 sakes in small amounts for you to try. After tasting, explain to Kai which sake you like the better. As you repeat this process several times, Kai will completely understand your preference.
How did you like it? Which one is your favorite? いろんなお酒を知ってってほしいっていうのがあります。やっぱりメニューリストがある店だと知ってるお酒しか飲まなくて、なんか新しいもの発見ができないので、もっと日本酒をフラットに見れるような形でやってもらいたいなっていうので、こういうシステムで自由に僕たちが出せるようにやってます。
Kai's suggestion techniques are absolutely amazing. It proves his supreme knowledge of sake and tasting skills.
これ、ここのお酒とか、完全発酵系のお酒って、60度以上まで上げると、なんでかわかんないけど、アミノ酸が甘く感じるんですよ、実は。
The food served in Chill Labo Akasaka is also a masterpiece. In other regions like Europe and America, when you go to a bar, your main purpose is to drink, and people usually order only a small amount of food. However, pairing food with sake is a huge part of the Japanese drinking culture. Kai wishes foreign customers to take part in this culture and try the amazing food while you drink. Oden, a traditional Japanese stew, is one of Kai's most recommended dishes.
もともと、うちのおでんは吉祥寺でおでん屋さんをやってた方がおでんを作ってまして、おでんと日本酒の相性最高なので、絶対試してほしいです。
Whether you choose chilled sake or hot sake, the flavor of the oden will complement your drink perfectly. There's also a range of other dishes available, all original to this bar. Kai is always happy to recommend which sake goes best with your food, or vice versa. After you enjoyed some amazing sake, if you're still looking for something new to try, sake cocktail is the perfect goal. I'm sure you'll be amazed by Kai's creativity.
大っぴらには言ってなくて、どっちかっていうと、この人好きそうだなって思ったらやってます。
Sake is rarely used as a cocktail ingredient. This is because as a brewed beverage, the flavor of sake changes slightly every day, making it difficult to create a consistent recipe. But that's not a problem for Kai. He can create a completely unique sake cocktail by carefully tasting each sake and asking customers about their preferences. He sometimes adds spices or even mix sake with other spirits and liqueurs to create a truly one-of-a-kind drink. His playful ideas are absolutely genius.
It says mizumoto, which is they make sake with sake instead of using water. So just water when they make sake. It was sake, so it's already had a sugarness. You are a magician みたいなこと言われて、それはめっちゃテンション上がりましたね。
Although it is true, some people consider sake cocktails disrespectful against the brewers, since sake is supposed to be a complete beverage as its own. But Kai insists that he creates cocktails with strong respect for each sake and brewery, and that he can confidently present his creations to the brewers themselves.
日本酒ってもっと知られるべきだなって思って。で、カクテルとかって人気なのに日本酒人気ないのってやっぱどうしてもそのままで飲むっていうやり方しかないからだなって思ってて。
Kai's true intention is to use cocktails as a gateway to introduce those new to sake, with the hope that they will become more interested in authentic sake itself. As you can tell by this point, Chill Labo Akasaka is a realization of Kai's passion and dedication. So, if you're curious, definitely consider adding it to your travel list.
See you soon at Chill Labo, and let's dig the sake world.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Here on Tippsy Sake Japan, we bring you the best bars, restaurants, and sake shops across Japan where you can enjoy sake at its best. If you like videos like this, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.